Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, so today it's cloudy and rainy a little bit in my area, so therefore I'm just staying at home. Actually, I've got something special for you today that I'm gonna show you exactly how to cook Kachin traditional fish curry. So that's quite interesting and straightforward. On top of that, it's super healthy curry and delicious as well. So just stick with me till the end. Let's get started. First of all, we need like all these things to cook like Kachin traditional fish curry. So this is like the spices that we are going to use for that. So actually that you already know that. So some garlics and ginger and chilies, and this is pepper powder and black cardamom powder. Okay, this is dried garnian, and then seasoning powder. If you like, you can put some seasoning powder as well. And this is turmeric powder we have to put for that curry. So this fish, and then coriander, and this is Vietnamese coriander and sawtooth coriander. Okay, first of all, we have to wash the fish as well. After that, we put all the spices, some spices into the mortar, and then we have to crush. Okay, we have to put the fish into the wok and all the ingredient as well. And here we have to put like all the ingredients. It's pepper, it's black cardamom powder, it's turmeric powder. If you like, you can put the seasoning powder. And this is dried garcinia. We put some oil as well. And then afterward, we have to mix all these things. Okay. And then after that, we have to put some water. Okay, so right now we put that on the fire. So we have to wait for 10 more minutes. Until it's boiling. Well, it started boiling. Wow, now we can eat. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and give your wonderful comment to me. So thank you so much guys again.